Achieving incredible results like this isn't normal for most traders, but it is possible because we make it happen consistently for our members. Welcome to the service that changes everything. Have you ever thought about how much money is exchanged every day in Forex? Like, really thought about it? 5.3 trillion per day, which means around 220 billion per hour. You've probably heard that 99% of traders fail. Well, it's true. Remaining consistently profitable, sticking to a strategy, and understanding trends takes a well-trained eye. That's because it takes years to master the markets. Think about this. What if you could pocket 0.0000001% of that 5 trillion? Your life would absolutely change. And so would those around you. You'd have more than enough to fund traveling around the world, meeting investment goals, and discovering new hobbies. Just imagine earning a month's worth of pay in the first 2 hours of the day. The problem most people face is floundering through books and YouTube videos trying to piece scattered information together, while many quit because they just don't know where to start. We know because we were once there, before learning the techniques to think and trade in order to beat the banks. That's